Hello everybody, welcome to Wealth Window. Today we are going to begin a new series called Economics Explained. This video will specifically focus on macroeconomics and microeconomics and the differences between them. By the end of this series, you should have a better understanding of basic economics and be able to better understand how global and local economies operate, and maybe even impress your friends with your knowledge. Now let's get into the video. Today, we're diving into two fundamental branches: macroeconomics and microeconomics. Macroeconomics looks at the economy as a whole, focusing on large-scale factors like national income, inflation, and unemployment rates. It helps us understand how government policies and global events impact our daily lives. On the other hand, microeconomics focuses on individual consumers and businesses, examining how they make decisions about resource allocation, pricing, and production. Understanding these concepts is crucial, as they shape the economic landscape we navigate every day. Whether you're budgeting for groceries or considering a career move, the principles of macro and microeconomics play a significant role in your choices. So, stick around as we break down these concepts in a way that's not only informative but also engaging, making economics relatable and applicable to your everyday life. What is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics is the branch of economics that studies the economy as a whole, focusing on large-scale economic factors and trends. It examines how various elements interact to shape national and global economies. Key indicators in macroeconomics include gross domestic product, GDP, which measures the total value of goods and services produced in a country, inflation rates that indicate the rise in prices, and unemployment rates that reflect the health of the job market. Understanding these indicators is crucial, as they provide insights into economic performance and stability. Macroeconomic policies such as fiscal and monetary measures play a significant role in influencing national economies. For instance, government spending can stimulate growth during a recession, while interest rate adjustments by central banks can control inflation. By grasping macroeconomic concepts, individuals and businesses can make informed decisions that align with broader economic trends, ultimately enhancing their financial well-being. What is microeconomics? Microeconomics is the branch of economics that focuses on the behavior of individual consumers and businesses. It delves into how these entities make decisions regarding the allocation of resources, pricing of goods and services, and their interactions within various market structures. Key concepts in microeconomics include supply and demand, which determine how much of a product is available and how much consumers are willing to pay for it. Understanding pricing strategies and market dynamics is essential for both businesses and consumers. For instance, a company may adjust its prices based on consumer demand, while individuals make purchasing decisions based on their budget and preferences. These microeconomic decisions have a direct impact on everyday life, influencing everything from the cost of groceries to job opportunities. By grasping microeconomic principles, you can better navigate the marketplace and make informed choices that align with your financial goals. So what are the key differences between macroeconomics and microeconomics? Macroeconomics and microeconomics are two distinct yet interconnected fields of economics, each with its own scope and focus. Macroeconomics examines the economy as a whole, analyzing large-scale phenomena such as national income, inflation, and unemployment rates. In contrast, microeconomics zooms in on individual consumers and businesses, exploring their decision-making processes regarding supply, demand, and pricing. Each field employs different tools and models to analyze economic behavior. Macroeconomics often uses aggregate data and models like the ISLM framework to understand overall economic trends, while microeconomics relies on concepts like elasticity and utility maximization to assess individual choices. Understanding these differences helps clarify how economic forces shape our world at both the macro and micro levels. Macroeconomics and microeconomics play crucial roles in shaping real-world scenarios that affect our daily lives. For instance, macroeconomic policies such as fiscal policy, which involves government spending and taxation, can stimulate economic growth during a recession. Similarly, monetary policy, managed by central banks, influences interest rates and money supply to control inflation and stabilize the economy. These policies directly impact job creation, consumer spending, and overall economic health. On the microeconomic side, concepts like supply and demand are vital for business decisions. For example, a company may analyze consumer preferences to set competitive prices or determine the optimal quantity of products to produce. Additionally, understanding consumer behavior helps businesses tailor their marketing strategies effectively. The impact of these economic theories is evident in everyday life, from the prices we pay at the grocery store to the job opportunities available in our communities. By recognizing these applications, we can better navigate the economic landscape around us. Understanding these economic principles is crucial for making informed decisions in our daily lives, whether it's budgeting, investing, or running a business. We encourage you to follow along on our new Economics Explained series, where we explore these concepts further to enhance your economic literacy. That will wrap up this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos related to business, personal finance, and much more.